Now it's on video. All right. The light's shining in my face and I lost all my dark sight. All right, we're going to go up behind me.
Yay!
You going to do the outside this time or are you going to go underneath here?
Wait, what did I do last time?
You went underneath.
Good memory.
Hmm?
You want to try going up this time?
Yeah.
Which one's
You're
bigger?
gonna need a little boost.
Yeah, just a little boost.
Fine.
Okay.
I don't need any help.
There's two ways up here. One way is to go underneath this rock, come right out on the other side. There's a foothold in that wall there. And we just kind of like scoot yourself up here. Then you're going to go up this crack here next to this wall. When you get up to the point where it doesn't go up anymore, then you're going to stand up here on top of this big breakdown of rock. Okay? Now, that's one way that way. The other way is to climb up on the outside here, foothold, 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 and then proceed up there. You can choose which every way you want to go. You want to do that? Okay.
I'm gonna go outside.
Hmm?
I'm gonna go outside.
On the outside, you're going to try? Come on, let's get up here.
Wait, yeah.
What'd you find, a bug?
I'm gonna go outside. You want me to
Yeah,
start filming again?
that's food. Okay, come up here.
For me?
Yeah, you. Yeah, I'm talking to the bug? Okay, what you're going to do is your left foot, this is going to be tough to do because your legs are short. Left foot's going to go up here on the point, okay? Your right foot's going to go here. I'm going to hold it in place, and then you're going to swing this. No, wait, I'm sorry, I gave it to you wrong. That foot goes on the point. Right foot,
I'm gonna
left
slide.
foot. Huh?
I'm gonna
He said he's gonna hold
I'm going to hold you. I'm going to hold you once you get up here. And then you're going to put your other foot up here. Okay, you ready? Now, if you want to,
It's like rock
hold on to that stump.
Yeah, exactly.
You're going to have a tough time reaching it. But if you want to, like put that leg up on my arm, you can do that too. Okay? You want to try that? I'm underneath you. You're not going to go anywhere because I can catch you. Very good. Look at that stretch. Very good. Okay, now go ahead. Up.
Should've been-
Oh, jeez.
Nice job, girl.
I didn't do anything.
I know. Don't go too far, love.
Autumn, you're going to put me out of a job. Okay, you saw what she did?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold on to that and this and just keep your body weight over top of your feet.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
Well, you're going to go down there? All right, who's next? Just as long as we don't bunch up so that if somebody has to back up at all, you don't get a face full of mud. There you go.
You good, love?
Yeah, I'm up.
Okay.
There you go. That's it. That's it. Perfect. 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 Yes. Very good. Who else?
I wanna go underneath.
Okay, go ahead. Just
I wanna go.
hop up on the other side of that. There, right there. Do you see that hole in the wall there? The little foothold that's in right behind you?
To your right.
You can stick your foot in that and boost yourself up. Very nice. Very good.
Work.
That's it.
Go wanna go.
Where does that go up there? Just like above us in another level?
This,
Yeah.
it just goes straight.
Oh,
It
okay.
stays pretty much the same level.
Hello.
Hello.
Is there which direction
So-
you're going?
Ava, once you get up one step, I'm gonna pass you Bartholomew and you're gonna pass it up to the people above you.
Mom.
Yeah.
Be careful.
All right.
Be careful on the edge there,
Oh, hi,
okay?
baby.
So-
Step back just a little
Be
bit.
careful, love, okay?
No, I'm in my seat.
So,
Oh, good.
Allie, Ava's gonna pass you Bartholomew.
Ava.
Alright, Isabel, you
Come
going?
over here.
Very good.
Go for him.
Yeah, the
Okay.
right front.
You guys are doing good.
I know.
Okay.
Just be careful up there. There's a couple of holes that I don't want anybody to fall down in.
You hear that, love?
I already did that.
Too late!
Oh, did that, done that, got the t-shirt, huh?
All right, Maya, go ahead.
Go ahead. Very good. Very good. Did you see the foothold up behind you? That's right there on the wall. You can use that to boost yourself up. Got it. Very good. Very good. That's it. That's it. Did you want to try to do this real quick before somebody else jumps in? There. That's it. Just keep your weight over your top of your feet and you're good. Just like that. Yes.
Great.
Yes. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Right foot, left foot, right foot. Right there. Okay? Left foot. Okay. Gotcha. There you go. Very good. Very good. Okay. Got that? Right foot. Left foot. Right foot. As long as you keep your body weight over top of your feet, you're good.
You can also put your knee on it, so go for it.
You're not going anywhere with me here.
You're doing great.
Take your time. When you're ready.
Yes, Mama. I will put your backpack.
You're doing good. You're doing good. You just got to keep your weight over top of your feet.
I need to be identified.
There you go. That's it. That's it. Lean forward into it. Awesome. Very good. Is everything else back there? No.
Nope, I'm last.
Let me get you up there.
How do you get up?
You just get up.
I just get up here.
You got this,
I
Mom.
just hope I don't fall. Very good. Very good. And I am on my way.
No, we're not taking it. This is. I'm gonna manifest it.
Manifest destiny.
I made it as well. What do you just want to do now? The knee pads. I know, there's so many dreams left. Actually, we might not be. I like gold roofs for some reason. Some people roof really easily. I just don't.
All right. How's everybody doing so far?
Good.
Good. Any issues yet? No. No? Okay. Very good.
Oh, I got issues. They have nothing to do with caving.
I got
Me
so
too.
many issues, I got a subscription.
Got a subscription. Jeez. All right. Now, this room,
I would stick with
all this rock is breakdown that came down from the ceiling thousands of years ago. So it's not going anywhere. From this room here, there's a couple of ways. Down that hole there, there's a passage that goes on the other side of this rock wall here. And it's like a belly crawl all the way up till you get to this chimney that's about this big around, about 7-8 feet up. And it's a climb up. We're not going to do it. It's hard to do. There's a hole here. You can drop down.
Yes.
And follow that passage all the way down. That's on the other side of this wall. And then there's this way here, which is the way we're going to go. And when we get down here, it's a crack in the wall, in the rock. But on your left-hand side, there's a horizontal crack that's about foot height. It's about 2 feet off the ground. And you stick your toes on it, lean against the other wall, and shimmy sideways down. Down. It's easier than it looks. I know that sometimes it gives people the heebie-jeebies being off the ground, but it's only 2 feet. So it's not really that far up. If you have, was that?
I remember that.
Yeah. If you have any problems with it, just let me know,
Chilling
okay?
in the cave, you're just laying down, chilling. Watching TV.
All right, we're gonna go this way.
All sweet.
I'll go somewhere.
All right. There we go. Very good. Very good. Come on over. Stick your feet like mine are. And just lean against the wall. And see, we're just going to go sideways like this. It's easy, right? No problems.
So if I didn't mention this to my girls, this is going to be earning us our trail adventure badge.
Wait, we get a badge.
Ooh.
And I think this is definitely a trail adventure.
Do we get a fun pack?
You'll have to show me that, the requirements for that.
We're a little loosey-goosey with, I mean,
Well, that's okay.
there is, one of the councils does a caving.
Okay, right here. This level ends, but there's a next one. Right there. Can you see that? Okay, now it keeps on going down, but for me, I can just step right here. Okay. That rock has been wobbling for the 20 years I've been coming in this cave.
Yeah. I think you've already got your climbing.
No, but like I didn't have to like do it myself. And then you were probably like, you know how many years like you do it now? I was telling you like, okay.
Yeah, I think you've already
So
got
when
that.
it comes, it's right here, and then that's a wobbly rock. So if you want to just scoot yourself down further past
I
it,
would
you
go,
can.
you know, there until you get down.
And if we need to pass Bartholomew down the line.
You can come on down so we can get everybody into this room. We're going to sit here for a moment till we get everybody together. I'm trying to keep everybody together.
No, we're doing, that's a.
Just take your time. You can go that way. You can go behind me. There's all kinds of ways to get in and around this. Okay? And then we'll explain it and wait for Autumn to get here.
Is there one of your girls that we should like go through that hole right now? Not near the hole.
Yeah, I was
The hole's
looking
the fun
on
part.
On the National Store website.
We're going down there.
You want to?
Look, if you search
Go ahead.
patches.
Take a look. Whoop, 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 whoop. You all right?
I'm fine. I'm great.
Oh, man.
One of the councils has a caving patch.
Oh, a council zone kind of one.
Yeah, one of the, fun patches with requirements kind.
Take a look in there.
Don't be like me and fall. Allie! Allie!
Come on back around so we can get everybody into this room here.
Don't fall to the
I think it wasn't, I'm not quite sure how you have it.
You never did see Allie again. Wait, my buddy. We always wondered what happened. It's Golem.
Hey Alan, are you been nearby? to give
Yes.
them a quick hand?
My legs
All right. Oh, short legs.
Short, it's a short
Okay,
leg
you want to step
problem.
down here? Okay. I'm right here. Okay.
Autumn, I love your choice when you knew it was time to say, yep, I could use a hand. That's awesome.
That's it. That's perfect. Okay, now, here we go.
Are we going in there?
That's what I said.
You remember that one?
Yeah, I want to go in there.
Okay, hold up, hold up. I want to get a picture of you doing that, okay? I need video of you doing that because last time you went most of the way through before I even got you.
I'm going in there again.
Okay. Oh, is this the wishing well?
Yeah, there's a wishing well.
You gonna demonstrate?
You don't have to do this, all right? There's another way to the other side.
Thank you.
That's a little bit easier. It's not as small as this is. This has a pinch that's about this far, okay? And I think most people would be able to fit.
Yeah, it's not that far.
It's not that bad, really.
There's like an area.
I was scared last time, and then I convinced myself to do it, and I was glad I
There's like
did.
an area.
It's about 20 feet of a crawl after this little pinch that's only this far. And then from there you can stand up in a hallway that's down there. And you're going to make a left and walk down the hallway till it meets up with this path here, which is the easier way.
Got it.
I'm not going to say easy way, it's easier. Okay? Because you got to climb over rocks.
Yeah.
All right?
I want to go that.
Now, nobody's got the clip. Okay, well, we'll deal with it another day. Okay, how do I turn this on again?
Oh, to clip it to ours.
You're Mr. Lightman. You
Yeah,
have a lot of lights.
a lot of lights. It's a constellation, like the stars. There's a lot of them. Okay, now, you're going to show them how to do this?
Yep.
Go for it.
Bye, baby.
You say it like you're not going to see her again.
How does your booty even fit through that?
And she's
Oh my
gone.
God. Wait, did I go left or right?
To the right.
I thought you said to the
All right, who's next? Who's going to try it?
Did you go to the left?
I thought you said you go to the left.
I thought you said go to the left.
Oh, when you get down there, when you stand up, you go to the left.
Oh, God.
But when you're going through the pinch, you go to the
Autumn,
right.
wait for a buddy, okay?
I don't know if I can fit.
Okay.
You'll fit. Take your backpack off. Push it through in front of you.
Wait, listen, I just want to carry it. Wait, Mom, are you going down there?
I don't think I'm gonna fit there.
Can you hold on to my backpack then?
Yeah, she said she'll.
Yeah, you can push it ahead to Autumn.
Okay. Wait, can you take Bartholomew?
Yes, I definitely.
Do you want me to just give you one?
Okay, I don't think I
Bartholomew could just be.
You can fit. You can fit. You're able to fit. If you lie down on your side, one arm in front, one arm behind you, you'll fit. Okay?
Yes, Allie.
There she goes.
There you go.
Nice.
See now that's the
Just chilling in here.
that's the tight spot right where she is. Once she gets through that, it's easy.
Is it more room down there now?
Yeah, it very quickly
Yeah,
opens up.
it's about this.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.